Thank you for watching the Angel Wing channel. My name is Jasmaine, and today we're going to make a seafood boil. We have red potatoes, corn, sausage, crab legs and claws, shrimp, and then we're going to season our water using our seasonings, which is sea salt, Creole seasoning, Old Bay, lobster, shrimp and crab boil, garlic powder and garlic mince. Now we're gonna take the red potatoes and put it in the water and let it cook for 5 minutes. And then with our corn. Now we have to wait for our Now we're gonna take our corn and put it in the water for 10 minutes. Now that our water is boiling, now we're gonna put in our sausage. And yes, we did add lemon. And then mix them. And it smelled so good. Oh. Oh yes, you're gonna have to wait for, you're gonna, now we're adding lobster claws and legs, crab legs. Now we're gonna cook the shrimp for a couple minutes, and then we'll cut the fire off and letting it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Confusing. Now this is our seafood boil, and it smelled so good. Just don't let it be snappy on you. Thank you, and thank you for your support. Please, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.